राज्यात 2 महिन्यांखातीर नुस्तेमारी बंदी आसता. नुस्त्याच्यो बोटी दर्यांत वचनात, मात वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स नेटान चलता. पर्यटक व्हडा प्रमाणात क्रूज बोटींनी वतात. क्रूज बोटी तांकां पणजेच्यान दिवाडे दर्यांत व्हरतात आनी मागीर थंय सुरू जाता वॉटर स्पोर्ट. जेट स्की, बनाना रायडिंग. अजून मेरेन तशी वायट घडणूक घडिल्ली ना, मात केन्नाच घडची ना अशेंय म्हणप योग्य जावचें ना. अंदू पावसाचें प्रमाण राज्यांत उणें आसलें तरी गोंयांत पावस हेर राज्यां परस चडूच पडटा. न्हंय व्हाळ आनी दर्या खवदिळे आसतात. तेन्ना खबरदारी घेवप काळाची गरज आसा. 2021 वर्सा खंय सरकारान हवामान बरें आसल्यारूच वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स करूंक हरकत ना अशें नोटिफिकेशन काडिल्लें. मात नुस्तेकारांच्यो कागाळी आनी पर्यटकांचे सुरक्षेचे दिश्टीन कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टान सरकाराक हे विशीं बरयला. आतां बेगीनूच तें नोटिफिकेशन फाटीं घेवन पावसांत गोंयांत वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स उपक्रमांचेर बंदी येतली.
See what has happened, I think in the year 2021, okay, there is a notification which was taken out for monsoon water sports. So this was actually, a budget speech also. So that due to that notification was taken out, okay, to have the water sports here in during the monsoon period, only during the good weather. So that was the notification. Based on the notification, we have been issuing it. Okay. Now, after becoming the captain of ports also, I issued for certain people. Because we don't want any congestion. But now, if there is a complaint coming from any of the fishermen, and I have received many complaints, so it was also put up to the tourism also. Tourism also said that we cannot begin in this. So they have sent me a letter and to take an action. So that since the file is moved forward to the government, let them take the decision because it's a notification to withdraw the order, and that will be done very shortly.
Bureau Report, Prudent.